The Lexus NX 2022 offers a choice of 2 petrol models and 2 hybrid models. The former uses a naturally aspirated 2.5-liter engine that produces 203 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed transmission and all-wheel drive, it accelerates from 0 to 100 km per hour in 8.8 seconds. A new and exciting addition is the NX 352.4 Turbo, which makes 275 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. With the same 8-speed transmission and AWD combo, this car is capable of sprinting from 0 to 100 km per hour in 7 seconds, Lexus claims. For customers who prefer a hybrid powertrain, the NX 350h, formerly known as the NX 300h, produces 239 horsepower and reaches triple-digit speeds from rest in 7.4 seconds. Meanwhile, the combined fuel consumption of 6.5 L, 100 km decreased by 1.0 L, 100 km compared to the previous model. The second-generation NX features a more aggressive look compared to its looks. The company changed the front grille, which is now more upright and significantly wider, complete with a mesh design that creates a nice 3D effect. By the way, each trim level gets its own variations. At the rear, you'll see the full-width taillights as seen on the S and UX. Also noteworthy is the missing L logo, which has been replaced with the new Lexus letters in the center of the elevator doors. Nori Green Pearl, Cloudburst Gray and Grecian Water are the new colors to choose from with the NX. The F Sport model obviously has exclusive colors including Red Line, Ultra White, Cadmium Orange and Ultrasonic Blue 2.0. But no less important is the new plug-in hybrid NX 450h Plus. Rated at 302 horsepower like the Toyota RAV4 Prime, it provides an EV range of around 58 kilometers. Developed in North America, the new Lexus interface incorporates a standard 9 or 14.1-inch center touchscreen that points towards the driver. The infotainment system is wirelessly compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A 7-inch digital instrument panel and an available 10-inch heads-up display, both a first on the NX, complete the cockpit. There's also a new virtual assistant for interacting with the infotainment system. With dual microphones, enhanced noise, seat detection and speaker location capabilities, it supports a voice-first approach to access certain navigation, media, phone, and vehicle settings. Other available technologies include wireless smartphone chargers and over-the-air software. Available with turbo and PHEV powertrains, the F Sport handling model improves driving dynamics thanks to active variable and performance damping. The special F Sport grille and bumper combine with exclusive 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels to create a more racist look, while offering dark graphite aluminum trim, a unique instrument panel, sport seats, newly developed steering wheel and aluminum pedals. And scratch plate. The 2022 Lexus NX will enter this fall, including for the first time at the Cambridge assembly plant in Ontario. Pricing will be announced closer to launch.